I think this exam is such a, it places you in such a position that you have to be, intellectually efficient. At the same time, you have to be down to earth, because at the end you have to interact with the people only. So social interaction in a very humble manner, it is important to have it in you. There is a feeling that you get a lot of confidence after clearing, because during the preparation, if you are confident to clear, that is a different thing. But once you clear it, you get something, okay fine, I've established something for myself. So definitely you are much stronger and confident than before. Yes, you get a kind of validation, okay yes, you have done something, you have achieved something. My background is in BA Political Science Honours, so it has been quite easier for me to dwell with the subject. Further, I had taken the notes from Shubhra Ranjan ma'am, so that have been of immense help to my preparation, because there is a difference on how you write in college and how you prepare for the exam. So for my preparation, I had this resource only. Further, I would complement them with the validation that I could take from the newspapers. It is also important that you structure your answer well. Thirdly, I would say that PYQs hold very important place in your optional preparation. My marks in the optional were 151 in paper 1 and 153 in paper 2, totaling to 304. For essay, I think it is very important to understand the topic of essay. So for philosophical essays, PSI helps in understanding the concept. Further, the flow of essay, that we also get. Thirdly, the dimensions that you have to explore in an essay, that can also be in a better manner through PSI. I think answer writing practice is the core of exam, because the mains exam is called mains because of its importance that is hold. The weightage of marks is very much in this mains preparation. For answer writing, I think structuring of answer, content of answer and speed, these are the three things that should be taken care into mind. Further, if you could do it before prelims once or twice a week, it would make a major impact during your real mains exam. Yes, I think as one of the philosophers also said, that knowledge is a continuous process. So yes, wherever you can gain knowledge, we should be ready to get it. It's fantastic when you read from a teacher, you admire the person, and then one day you finally get to meet them. So it is a beautiful experience. Thank you so much.